Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a DIY creepy skull wreath. So I'm going to quickly show you what I bought, where I bought it from, and then we will get to it. So they have these at Michael's and these are $7.99. They have these awesome skulls at Five Below. They weren't finished setting up so they couldn't film yet, but $3 for these, pretty wicked. Dollar Tree has these 3 different assortments of purple and black flowers and pumpkins, eyeballs in them, spiders. So those were $1.25 a piece. And the dollar store had this cool looking spider. They also had the ribbon, which I'm gonna wrap up the wreath with and decorate. So let's get to it. Next, I want to kind of put my spider up top. Maybe like a cool little creepy thing crawling down. So I'm gonna glue like right where his head is and his butt. So the skull has a little hole down here, which is pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do is take this wooden skewer, I'm gonna stick it in and put glue around it, and then we're gonna push it into the styrofoam. So this is the tricky part, I'm trying to get my hand back here to shove this stick into here. I think I got his head in there. And he fell off. To trim up down there, but we got it in. Use the thicker stick, not the skewers. Use the sticks that you use in the craft section for my candy bouquets. Look how badass his face is. I like the color. Okay, since I have all this white, I'm gonna fill it with my flowers and spiders. So, I'm gonna shove these in here. This one's pretty cool with that. Yep, let me cut him a little. Hot mess over here, Express. Alright, so we want to tuck it in under his chin to fill in that white and fluff it out. He looks awesome, and he's got that cool spider up top to match in the metallic look. Okay guys, so I went back and I filled in some extra eyeball flowers and spiders to make it look more fuller, because there were some spots I thought needed really to add some pop to. Especially down here with the white around the skull as your focal point, so I just wanted to make sure I filled that in as much so you don't see any of that white styrofoam. So I hope you liked my video. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I hope you have a great day.